Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on security key on your X app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do is you just go up, you click here on this photo here in app, then it's going to show for you this like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, so you click here on settings in supports here, then you go down, so then you click here on settings in privacy here, then it's going to take here in this list, then you just click here on security in the account access here, so then you click here on security, then you click here on two-factor authentication here, then you come here to security key, so just click here in this side, and here you click here on open browser here, then it's going, so when you click here it's going to take you to your Google in add video on your X app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.